So you pull up like so. You guys can see. Then you take it with the other hand, fast, like so. I hope it records in the camera. Take it from the sides, the wings. Try to make it comfortable. So the feet are on mine, like so. And then I put it like this, usually. So she feel comfortable. Yeah. Then I take it here, put around. See? And then I take it from the chest and up. I raise. She might, go against a little bit. It's fine. Then I take the first sticker here, put it higher, stuck. The other side, wing up, put the diaper there, or fly suit, whatever it's called. See that it fits. And legs are higher than this, and then paw. And that's it.